Hello everyone, today I'm going to prepare Pesarattu, also called Moong Dal Dosa. So I'm using 1 cup of green moong dal and half cup of raw rice. So I'm going to soak it overnight or at least for 8 hours, and then we can grind it and then we can use it to prepare our dosa. So let's get started. So I have soaked it overnight. Now we can drain the water and grind it. So I have transferred it to a mixer jar and adding little ginger, 1 green chili, little cumin seeds, and a little whole pepper and salt, and adding water. And now we are going to grind it like we do it for dosa batter. So the batter is ready. We have to grind it very smoothly. Once the pan is hot, using very finely chopped onion, just spread it on top, and green chili, just cut it to small pieces and spread it on top, and little oil. So there's our pesarattu, guys. Goes well with any chutney and pickle. So please give it a try, and thanks for watching.